Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to rearrange photos on WhatsApp status before sharing. If you are using WhatsApp and now you want to rearrange or edit photos, let's see how can you do this. You just have to go to your WhatsApp app and here just go for updates and status section, and here you just have to tap on the plus camera icon, just select it, and here if you want to click an image just select camera, but if you have an image in your gallery so just select the image, and in this section you can easily rearrange or edit your photo. If you want to write something on the photo with your fingers so you can do this. If you want to add text so just tap on text icon, and here you can easily enter text. You can move your text, but if you want to add any stickers you just select sticker icon, and here you will get all the stickers. You can easily add them. If you want to crop your image you just have to select the crops icon, and then you can easily crop the image whether you want. But if you want to add songs you just select music icon, and here you'll get some songs. You can easily search for any song to add that, and after that just select share. So that's how you can easily rearrange or edit photos on WhatsApp status before sharing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.